Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying the clip style so you know how it fails and how to remove it without breaking surrounding parts. Use a trim tool or a thin flat pry to pop up the collar. If it's stubborn, spray a small amount of penetrating oil and wait a minute to loosen debris. Once the head lifts, use pliers to pull straight out while supporting the bumper edge to prevent panel flex and misalignment. This protects tabs and helps you save the clip for reuse when possible. Once the old clip is out, examine both the bumper hole and the clip stem. A worn shank can cause loose panels and rattles, so measure the diameter and length. If the plastic collar split, replace it with an OEM equivalent or a universal push rivet that matches size. If the hole is enlarged, install a slightly larger diameter clip or a backing washer to restore grip. Make sure to align the panel edges and seat the clip straight to avoid shear stress during installation and driving. To finish, position the bumper and align mounting holes so the shank enters without bending. Press the clip squarely until the head snaps and the collar compresses. This ensures full engagement. Once installed, inspect panel gaps and gently push to confirm there's no play. If you still feel movement, remove and try a different clip style or add a thin backing washer to increase bite. If noise or looseness appears after a short drive, stop and recheck clip selection and hole integrity to prevent further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.